Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fill in the water tank on your Philips HomeRun 5000 series. In order to fill in the water tank, you will need to pick up the robot, flip it over, or actually you don't really need to do that. Just look at the back of it.
Returning to the station to charge.
Hold on a second, I'll pause it.
Pause.
Okay, now there's this button right here. Just pinch it like so and pull the water tank
Dustbin
out.
and water tank removed.
Now you can see here are the all the things that you basically need, and you can fill in the water tank right here. Fill it all the way in, and if you'd like to add the cleaning solution that is included in the box, then make sure to just put 1 milliliter in. Only a milliliter is enough. There's this measuring cup and it has a 1 milliliter mark, so that's all you need. And there's 250 of them, of the milliliters in the bottle, so that's pretty great. Now once it's all filled, you can basically put it all in. You can also empty the dust bin because you need to do that manually. So pinch right here, open it, there's the dust, you can just empty it and it's done. Now I'll put it back into the robot, just slide it in until it clicks.
Dustbin and water tank installed.
And
Please
now
remember to install the filter.
I'll bring it back to the station, and that's it.
Returning to the
I hope
station
that
to
this
charge.
video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.